Hey everyone, welcome to the Core Java tutorial. So in this tutorial, we will be taking a deep dive into a programming world. With the help of Java, we will learn how Java compiler works. We will learn how JVM execute the code. We will learn how Java compiler think, how Java compiler sees the code. And after that, we will see a memory diagram of many programs which will help us to understand actually what is happening in the background. So this tutorial is for those who are just new to a programming language or who don't know any programming language, and this tutorial is for those also who wants to get know the depth of the Java programming, and for those also who want to be a Oracle certified developer, a OCAJP certified developer. So this will be a first step. So after completing this video, this tutorial, you guys will be able to learn any language you want. You guys can be a web developer, an Android developer, and many more things will come. So this will be a 12 season, or we can say this will be a 12-part series. I'm saying it is a season because we all guys are very familiar with the web series, web seasons, as a season. So in first season, we will learn an introduction and language basics of Java. In the next season, we will learn language operator. Operator means how to perform some calculation, some logics, how a programming language performs some logic. Season 2, we will see. In the next season, we will see a flow control. Flow control means how the program thinks. Thinks means if we want to teach a program, if something has happened, please do that thing, or if other thing has happened, please do this thing. So this season 3 is very important for code syntax. In the next season, we will learn OOPS concept, object-oriented programming concept. So in this season, we will learn encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. These are very strong concepts of object-oriented programming. But I want you to know, guys, now Java is not only a object-oriented programming. In early stage of Java, it was a object-oriented programming, but now it is a functional programming also. When the Java 8 came, it changed everything. It changed, like, it's super powerful now. And in season 5, we will learn a classes interface and enums. Next season will be a small season of inner classes, then an exception handling. We will learn if something abnormal happens to our program, so we want it to be safely handle that exception. That we will learn in exception handling season 7. And then in season 8 we will learn a multi-threading. Multi-threading means multiple process running at the same time. We will learn here the multi-threading. Will be very interesting concept for you guys. After that, in season 9 we will learn a most important topic in any language at this time. It's a collection framework. We will learn how data structure work and how data structure evolved in a collection framework. We will learn season 9 and season 10. In season 10, we will learn a generics concept. We will get to know in upcoming videos. In season 11, we will learn internationalization. Season 12, we will learn JVM architecture, how JVM um, handles memory, how JVM execute the code. So this will be a long series, but if you guys really commit yourself to complete this tutorial, you guys will be able to get many things out of it, and especially how the things work in the background, you guys will be learning. So in the next video we will come season 1 introduction and language basics. So thank you.